You can do a candy cane. I did the mistletoe here. How about that? I can do this one and do just a little bit of, just a little bit more. To his nose. And then give it a little roll right there. Add some more to make it looks cool in texture. A little bit more. That is really cool about this. If you get like couple playing around with like a couple of the designs that you're doing, you will get hang of this. It's the first time I did this, the second time I did it, and it's not bad at all. You just need to do the nose as a centerpiece, and then his that's it. How about that? That looks so far so good. Just know. Not bad. And then you can adjusting this. The beard. Cool. And then I want to here.
Can you read me now?
Here for 60 seconds and back and forth to make sure it's getting all the tears completely. Cool. Yeah, I know which one you like better.